Welcome back. In this video, we will review how to create a campaign. Let's get started. To begin, click on the Send Gifts button in the top right and select Browse and Send Gifts from the drop-down menu. Select the countries you wish to send to and select a budget. The available collections will update depending on those parameters. In the drop-down menu, Snappy has standard budgets listed for quick and easy selection, but if you have another budget in mind, add your custom budget range as needed. Then select a collection. Since you can only select one collection, pick the one that best fits your occasion. To move forward, click Continue with this collection at the top right. Next, let's select the delivery method and adjust the campaign settings. If you wish to come back to this campaign later, select Save Draft in the top right-hand corner. Let's take a closer look at settings. Their gift refers to your selected countries, budget, and collection from the first step. Next, we have notification settings. Select your desired delivery method: email, SMS, Slack, or Teams. If you do not have your recipient's phone number or email, you can generate a gift link or gift code to distribute yourself. Visit our Help Center for more details. Finally, settings. Here is where you can name your campaign, schedule your send, and set an expiration date. Now on to our next step, personalize. Enhance your recipient's experience by personalizing the email, wrapping, and the greeting message. The first section is the email design. Customize the email your recipient receives in their inbox by adding your own personal touch. This option is only relevant if you set the notification method to email on their gift settings page. Click the Edit button to customize the email template. As a helpful tip, when sending gifts, especially large gift sends, our gifting experts recommend keeping the merge tag at first name to address your recipients. This will automatically pull each recipient's first name into the field for an added layer of personalization. Click Save Changes in the top right to save any edits. Moving on to the next section, the wrapping experience. This is what your recipient will see when they open their gift. Some wrapping experiences can be customized to your company branding, such as brand colors and logos. This feature is only available for elevated and enterprise tiers. Select the wrapping you would like to use and press Save Changes in the top right. The last option to personalize is the greeting card. This is different from the email. This will appear after the recipient has opened their gift. When editing the greeting, keep the merge tag at first name to ensure this message is personalized for each recipient. At the top right, you can preview the gift experience and send your manager or another team member a test email to view your customizations before sending. Now, let's add your recipients. There are multiple ways of adding recipients to your gift send. Here are the 3 different methods. Upload from file is best for batch gift sends. If you have a spreadsheet with your recipients listed, you can upload it here. If you do not have a spreadsheet and need a template, select the template button to download an example file. Using the Add New Recipient button, you can manually add individual recipients by inputting their first name, last name, email and/or phone number, and country. If you have recipients under your main recipient tab, you can select and add them here. Select the checkbox next to the first name column to select all of your recipients in your roster, and then click the Add Selected button to add all of these recipients to your campaign. If your roster has recipients coded to different departments or countries, use the filter option to pull recipients from the set parameters. Click Add Filters to set up those parameters. Finally, review and send. Review your campaign details to ensure that everything is good to go. Confirm the payment method or select another payment method as needed. Please note that your gifts will be tied to the billing method selected here, so double check that the correct billing method is chosen to be charged and invoiced against. Once everything is ready to go, select the Send Gifts or Schedule Gifts button to complete your gift send. Happy gifting from Snappy!